Welcome to Tools, Tech, and Gear. I'm Seth. This is the Scotch brand H180 professional grade tape dispenser. I have used at least 10 tape dispensers, and this one was nice enough that I wanted to do a review on it so that you can enjoy a nice smooth tape dispenser with a really good cutting blade. I tape up about 50 boxes a week with my e-commerce business, and I've been using some really terrible tape guns, and so this one is definitely a step up. It's not very expensive, but it is a quality product. So let's go ahead and dive into its features real quick. I know if you're here watching this, you're either a super dedicated fan of the channel or you're looking to buy a nice tape dispenser. So let's dive into it. Starting from the top here, it's got the wiper with a little caution, don't touch the blade sticker on there. And it is just a thin piece of plastic, but I've had no trouble with that. It's got the 3M logo over here, but it is Scotch brand. Over here is your wheel that will actually hold the tape roll on. And of course there is a knob here that can adjust the tension. So you can tighten it down to make it slow, or you can loosen it here to make it really easy to adjust. I kind of like mine about there in the middle. And then if we move down here, we've got the handle. It is not the most comfortable as far as having a foam on it, but it does have these little ridges to help you from prevent you from slipping off of that. On the back, it does have a parts list, which I've actually heard that these parts are no longer available. I don't know. You'll have to just call and find out. Up here, it's got the blade, nice and sharp. I've had no problems with that. And then if you move down here to the bottom, you've got your rubber wheel, which is what will guide the tape into position. And I think that's right there where this tape dispenser sticks out above some of the others. The wheel extends past the metal, so it's not going to have that rollover effect that some tape guns will have. Over here you've got the spring-loaded metal piece that will keep the tape against the rubberized wheel, and it is pretty easy to pull up to get to your tape. So let's go ahead and put some tape on here. So to load this, you simply find the free end of your tape, and you're just going to want to pull out a little bit so that the sticky side is facing this right here. I like to just push this down, and then you can pull the tape tab through and pull up that metal tab with your thumb just to load this quite easily. And then, like I said, that right there will fold down over the tape. You can pull that up and you're good to go. It's not that difficult. All right, that's what it looks like there. All right, and I've got a box here we can test this out with. Okay, I've got a small box just to kind of show you how this tape dispenser works. Fold that down, and let's just do a couple of pieces here. Yep, so there we go. Let's see if I can get a little close up so you can see the cutting wheel there, but it's quite standard. But I do like how sharp this blade really is. We'll go across right here. Works like a champ here. Definitely impressed with this little thing. Okay, I'm going to tighten this, what I would consider to be too much, and we'll do one piece here. A lot of resistance. And then now I'm going to loosen that to what I would consider too loose. So both of them work quite well. I like it pretty much right there in the middle. After about 70 boxes, this thing is still going strong and is the best tape dispenser I've used. So if you're looking to buy one like this, link in the description down below to the Amazon page. I paid for this myself, not a sponsored item, and I am definitely glad that I got this unit. So it is a affiliate link, so if you buy it, I get like 3% from the full price that you pay. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.